Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure the device is powered, connected, and you're signed in as an administrator. This eliminates simple permission issues. Once done, create a quick backup or restore point so you can roll back changes if needed and update the operating system plus the app whose settings fail. After updates finish, restart the device. Reboots often clear transient errors. If the problem persists, proceed to targeted troubleshooting steps to inspect permissions and local caches. Now you dig deeper. Examine permissions, profiles, or group policies that control settings. Toggle critical permissions off and back on to refresh them. Make sure to clear the app cache and delete temporary or corrupted configuration files, because stale data often blocks writes. Run the app or system diagnostics and read logs to find specific errors. If uncertain, reproduce the issue from a secondary administrator account to separate user profile problems from system-level faults. Once you isolate the cause, apply targeted fixes or reinstall the app. Finish by performing final corrective actions. Reinstall or run the app repair tool, then apply any remaining patches and verify that settings persist across restarts. If problems remain, use a system restore point or, as a last resort, a factory reset. Then selectively restore your backup to avoid bringing back corrupted configs. Finally, gather logs, reproduce steps, and contact vendor support if required. One key troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.